Hello students, welcome to the class. So in today's class, we are going to learn two amazing tricks. So the first trick is if you have a two-digit number and if you want to multiply that with 5. So what is the easiest way to multiply that we will see in today's class. So let's start with the first trick. So suppose you have this number 40, right? So you have 40 and you want to multiply 40 with 5, right? So what is the easiest way to multiply here? So what is your first step? Your first step is you will divide your number with 2, okay? So basically you will do half of your number. So what is 40 divided by 2? It is 20, right? So the 20 is your answer in your first step. Now after that, what will you do? Just add 0 in your number, okay? So here you have 20, just add 0 in the last. So this is your answer. Very easy, right? So whatever number you have, divided by 2 and in the result add 0 in the last. Let's see one more example. So here we have 46 into 5. So again we will divide our number with 2. So we have 46, we will divide it by 2. So we will get 23, right? Now again just add 0 in the last. So you have 230. This is your answer, right? So this is very easy trick. If you have any two-digit number and you want to multiply it with 5, just do half of your number and then in the result add 0 in the last. Let's see one more example. So here we have 64 into 5, right? So again, what we will do first? The first step is we will divide our number with 2. So here we will divide 64 with 2. We will get 32 as our answer, right? Then again add 0 in your number. So this is your final answer. So the answer is 320. So this was the first trick we have learned in today's class. Now the next trick is if you have a two-digit number, right? And you want to multiply that with 11. So it will take at least 1 minute, right? To multiply any two-digit number with 11. But don't worry, today we will see an amazing trick that will help you to multiply any two-digit number with 11 in seconds only. So let's start with the second trick. So here we have 54, right? 54 multiplying with 11. So, okay. So first what we will do, we will write our number 54, right? After that, we will write our first digit and second digit separately. So this is my first digit 5 and my second digit is 4. Right now in between the digits I will write the sum of digit. So here the sum of digit 5 plus 4 is 9, right? So my answer is 594. So this is the answer. Very easy, right? So any two-digit number, if you want to multiply it with 11, so you will write your digits, right? And then in between the digit you will write the sum of digits. Okay, let's see one more example. So here we have 63 into 11, right? So first again we will write our digits. So here the digit is 6 and here the digit is 3, right? Now in between I will write the sum of digits. So what is sum of digit here? 6 plus 3, right? So the answer is 693. Very easy, right? So whenever you have two-digit number, but you have to remember here that you will only apply this trick only when the sum of digit is less than 10. If sum of digit is less than 10, then you can apply this trick. Just write your digits and in between the digits, write the sum of digits. Let's see one more example. So here we have 43 into 11, right? So again, we will write our number. We will write first and second digit. So here we have 4 and then we will write 3, right? Now in between the digits, we will write the sum of digits. That is 4 plus 3, 7 here. So my answer is 473. So these were the tricks we have learned in today's class. First was that whenever you have two-digit number and you want to multiply that with 5. So what was the trick? That we will divide our number with 2 and after that we will add 0 in our answer. So that was the first trick. And the second is that if you want to multiply any two-digit number and the sum of digits is less than 10, then you will write your digits, okay? And after that, you will write in between sum of digits. So that will be your answer. So these were the tricks we have learned in today's class. So thank you for watching. And if you like this video, then follow Sincere Class for more such content.